15 minutes left. You gonna be okay over here?
I think so.
Think so?
Yeah.
So Panisha is cooking a spice sausage Wellington, served with onion bhajis and a pea puree. I love the sound of that.
I mean, there's a lot of technical skill here, definitely in the Wellington, getting the pastry right. You don't want a soggy bottom, obviously.
Happy with it?
Yes, very happy.
You got about 5 minutes. Pea puree?
Yes, with coriander and lemon.
What goes on after your sausage roll?
After my sausage roll, it's the onions, and then that's it.
Right, hurry up, please.
Yep, doing it.
Right, Panisha, we're gonna need to go.
Yeah.
Beautiful dish, go!
Today I have made for you a spiced sausage Wellington on top of a red onion and potato bhaji with a coriander pea puree and a red onion chutney on top. Hope you enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love her flavours. They are bold and uncompromising. There's an explosion going on in my mouth from quite a punchy spice mix in that sausage meat and the fresh coriander through the pea puree. The only sadness is that bhaji, which is quite soggy. But, you know, if you look at everything else, brilliant.
I really like the fennel seeds on the pastry. The pastry's really well cooked. It's crispy. The chutney, the onion on top, really complements it really well.
Do you think she'll give me the recipe if I ask her? Because it's so delicious, so Moorish. She gets my vote on this. Love it.
I don't like the bhaji. It's a little bit greasy. Love the pea puree. I like that bit of sweetness. And I think that sausage is divine.
I like its flavours, I don't like its appearance. Right, Panisha,
Yes.
15 minutes on your dessert.
Okay.
You need to get your biscuits in.
Yeah.
Come on, go, 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 go.
Panisha's cooking a New Delhi cheesecake. I kind of want to be wowed a little bit because the cheesecake's a cheesecake, but when it's executed well and if there's some Indian flavours running through that, I think it might be really lovely.
You got 5 minutes, yeah?
Thank you.
I'm really interested, how's it a New Delhi cheesecake? What's she going to put in there? Is it going to be a set one or a baked cheesecake?
What's in it right now?
So at the moment we've got flaked almonds, crushed pistachios, saffron and rose water.
What's got to go on there?
Just some rose petals.
Is that it?
And that's it. All done.
OK, let's go.
Well done.
Come on.
Thank you.
Hello.
How lovely.
For my dessert, I have made a New Delhi cheesecake. So it's a cardamom butter biscuit topped with yoghurt, crushed pistachios, flaked almonds, saffron, rose water, and some rose petals.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think I'm surprised about the presentation. It doesn't really look like the cheesecake I was expecting, maybe a wedge of cheesecake.
I really like the look of this, and that biscuit underneath is so crumbly, and the dessert is not too sweet.
The yoghurt topping, it's light, it's silky and velvety. I think for me the only thing is the saffron is quite overpowering. It's not really a cheesecake, but it's a very lovely pudding.
No stretch of the imagination would turn that into a cheesecake. That's yoghurt on a biscuit. Very nice tasting yoghurt on a biscuit, but not a cheesecake.
It's tasty, it looks pretty, but there's not a lot to it.
That was epic. Like, I've worked in A&E like at prime time, and that was so much more stressful.